Hello guys, Martin Unix here and welcome again guys to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I'm going to show you on how to interlock barrel twist lines to a Mindo ponytail on dreadlocks. Welcome guys. Alright, welcome guys. This is the size of my lock strands. They are not quite long, so guys you'll have to excuse me on that. And we are going to style interlocked barrel twist lines guys to the center. So many people have just requested on how we can come up with those interlocked barrel twist lines guys to the center. So we are going to do a Mindo ponytail. Remember guys, I had given some other tutorials on how to interlock barrel twist lines, but most of those tutorials guys, the lines were flowy to the back. Now today guys, I'm going to show you a simplified way guys on how to do the interlocked barrel twist lines to a Mindo ponytail. So welcome guys. So just to simplify this guys, there is two ways of doing the barrel twist lines. Guys, you can begin here all the way to the center. That way you do one line here, another one here, then you do another line, two lines at the left side, just to balance your style. But just for the sake of our beginners guys, I'm gonna simplify this guys. I'm gonna come up with another way of doing this. And to kick off guys, you just need to skip one of the lines at the middle so that we can form the interlocks on our next section. So let's begin by skipping the middle line that way. Pick this line here, interlace it that way. Pick another line here that way guys, just trying to simplify these interlocked lines, which now will be interlocked all the way to the center. So I'm gonna pick this strand that way, pick another strand up there, pick another strand from this area, remember guys, we are just trying to make a turn here towards the center. So upon reaching this part guys, you can secure your line at this level, or otherwise guys, you can use one of the strands to secure the section. I'm gonna use one of the strands to secure the section that way. So leave your section at that level. Right guys, now we are done with the first section. Let's move together to the next section. Just to elaborate further guys on my sections, in order to come up with a section which contains a nice rhythm guys, you need to be mindful of the position of the strands. The way you are placing your strands guys needs to be placed in a certain way that you can create that rhythm. Now that's what makes your look amazing. So pick your strands that way, just interlace them on a certain position. Guys, when I mean that the lines should be in a certain position, I mean that the lines should be in a parallel way. That way, make your lines parallel in a way that the gapping seems to be of the same size from here to here. Understand? That way. You see the gapping. Now this is what creates the rhythm in your style. That way. Make sure the gapping is similar. That way guys. Alright, let's move onwards. Be mindful of the gapping. Remember guys, that's what brings the lather in your styling. So after reaching this part guys, you can pick one of the strands from the previous section, interlace it to the section that you are dealing with. Then you can pick one of the strands from the center part and secure this section at this point. Or otherwise, guys, you can use yarn. Secure your section at that point. Alright guys, just to balance our style, after doing 2 sections on this side, make sure you turn on the left side, guys, after doing the right side, and do another 2 sections to balance your style that way. So let's go to the left side. Alright guys, now we are left out with the middle part, and I'm gonna walk you through the styling process. At the middle part, guys, you realize that as well, guys, our lines are in an organic pattern, no lines here. So let's peep through the styling process, guys, and make sure that we come up with a style which is much pleasing. So pick this strand from this area, leave out this strand here, just to help in the interlacing process. That way. Remember that guys, somebody requested for this kind of style. Just to honor that, guys, I'm gonna do it that way. Make sure you interlock your strands just to come up with a beautiful pattern. That way, you can have a look, guys. It's quite a symbol. Pick your strands in a parallel manner, in a way that you can create some rhythm. Remember, guys, to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my work, guys, comment positively, share my work to your friends. You can as well, guys, join membership to support the channel. You can as well, guys, give some super thanks. I want to thank those who are joining membership, guys. I want to give vote of thanks to those who are supporting my channel by joining membership. It's a nice way, guys, supporting my content. So now we are left out with one section. So we are going to do the remaining section. That way. Just interlace the strands to come up with this interlocked pattern. That way. Your lines should be parallel, guys. That's the formula. Make sure your lines are in a parallel manner to create that rhythm in your styling. Remember, guys, you need to share my work to your friends. Support by sharing, guys. Subscribe if you are new on my channel, and stay locked, guys, for more tutorials. If possible, guys, you can join membership. Alright, welcome, guys. This is the back part. So let's begin, guys. Be mindful of leaving behind a section just to assist you when doing the interlace. So I'm gonna leave this section here, or the middle section, that is. that way. Remember to avoid tension, guys, when doing your styling. All the way to the middle area. So after reaching this part, guys, make sure you pick one strand from the previous section. Try and interlace just to secure. Then pick one of the strands if there are any and secure your styling that area. Now we have moved to the left side. This is to balance our styling. So as to balance, to come up with a style which is well balanced, guys, you need to position your sections in a way. And by doing so, guys, you do one section after the other. That way, guys, you do the section on the other side, do another section on this side, so that you can remain with the middle section. Because the middle section is well manageable when you start with the sections which are far aside. So pick this strand here. Make sure you leave behind a section. I'm gonna leave this section here. Pick another strand that way. Move to the middle of pony. That way, guys. It might be a simple style, guys, to our pro stylists, but you need to excuse our slow learners so that they can catch up. That way, all the way to the center. So reaching this part, guys, you interlace the sections. Pick one of the strands if there are any and secure your styling. Alright, guys, now we have done two sections. We are remaining with this middle section. So let's do a finishing kick here. Pick strands from this far end, leaving strands from this end, so that we can use strands from this end to interlace with strands from the final section. That way. I hope this tutorial, guys, it's well simplified for our beginners. Remember, guys, to support the channel by joining membership if possible. You can as well, guys, send some super thanks. You need to stay locked for more tutorials, guys, as well as sharing my work. Not forgetting to like the tutorials and keep your subscriptions coming if you are new on my channel. That way. That's how you interlace. What else, guys? That's how you interlock the lock strands to a middle ponytail. It's very simple to our pro stylists, but it might be complicated to our beginners. Just pick one of the strands, guys, if there are any, and secure the section loosely. That way. This is the remaining section, guys, and just to reiterate on what I've just been saying, guys, you need to balance your sections so that you can remain with the middle section. When you remain with the middle section, it will be quite easier to manage the middle section than just starting your, styling this side, going all the way around. You need to start from this side, come this side, then deal with the middle sections afterwards. You can have a look, guys, on the strands which have been left out. This one now, guys, becomes very easy for me to, to do the finishing kick, because I started my styles. I started my styling on a calculated move, and now you can have a look on the section which has been left out. It will be very easy to manage. So pick the remaining strands, guys, just interlace them that way. That's how you come up with your finishing kick, and you'll find it easy, guys, if you do a calculated styling moves at the beginning of your styling. Guys, you can pick one of the strands and secure if there are any. If there isn't, guys, you can use elastic bands if you want to use them, or you can use yarn. And this is my final outcome, guys. You can have a look how the lines are well interlocked from the back part, the nape area, guys. So let's move all the way around the front area. The lines are as well very well interlaced. This is my Minto pony, guys. My lock strands are not quite long. The length of my lock strands, guys, is quite wanting. And just to beautify this, guys, I'm going to do a fluffy kinky extension on this particular area. So guys, join me on my next tutorial for such. But for now, guys, this is how you can come up with this beautiful ponytail. It's truly amazing, guys. You can try out this one. For those who have been requesting for a Minto ponytail on interlocked barrette twist lines, guys, here we go. It's well, elaborated, guys. You can try out this one. Let's meet in the next tutorial, guys, as I do the fluffy kinky extension on this style. Thank you, guys, for watching, and let's meet in the next tutorial as I do the center part, where now I'm going to do an extension consisting of fluffy kinky.